You know that feeling when you pick up a gadget and instantly feel like it was made just for you? Light, sleek, powerful, and somehow perfect in your hand? Well, if you're an Apple fan, or even just someone who loves portable tech, the upcoming iPad Mini 8 might be exactly the kind of device. There's a buzz growing that this tiny tablet could be Apple's biggest leap in the mini line in years. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming. Stay tuned, because what you're about to hear will change how you think about small tablets forever. Right now, the iPad Mini 8 is one of the hottest Apple rumors swirling around. You've probably seen bits and pieces of leaks and guesses online, and maybe you're wondering what's real and what's just hype. Well, the truth is, this time around, the rumors are both exciting and credible, and they hint at some major upgrades that could push the Mini from a simple small tablet to something much more powerful and versatile. Let's start with the display, because this is where things get really interesting. Multiple sources, including reliable Apple insiders and analysts, are saying that the iPad Mini 8 will finally get an OLED screen. Now, if you're not tech-savvy, OLED might sound like just another buzzword, but it's actually a huge deal. OLED stands for Organic Light Emitting Diode, and it offers picture quality that's miles ahead of traditional LCD screens that Apple currently uses on the Mini. Imagine watching your favorite movies or YouTube videos on a screen where the blacks are truly black, not just dark gray, and colors pop with so much vibrancy that it feels like you're seeing everything in high definition for the first time. The difference between LCD and OLED is like night and day. OLED panels offer deeper contrast, brighter highlights, and better viewing angles. For a small tablet you hold close, that's a game changer. Why does this matter to you? Because the iPad Mini isn't just for casual browsing. A lot of people use it for reading, sketching, photo editing, even gaming. Having an OLED display will elevate all of that. It means better clarity, better color accuracy, and a more immersive experience overall. It's the kind of upgrade that you don't just see, you feel every time you touch the screen. But here's the kicker. The display might just be the start. The real power behind the iPad Mini 8 could come from what Apple puts inside it. Rumors suggest that Apple will equip the Mini 8 with the latest flagship chip. Early whispers talked about the A20 Pro chip, which is already blazing fast and found in recent iPhones. But newer leaks hint that Apple could jump straight to the A20 Pro chip. Now, this is where things get wild. The A20 Pro is expected to be built using a cutting-edge 2-nanometer manufacturing process. If that sounds like jargon, just know this. The smaller the nanometer number, the more advanced and efficient the chip is. This means not only faster performance, but better battery life and less heat generation. So, imagine a tiny tablet that feels just as powerful or even more powerful than your current laptop or gaming device, but fits in your backpack or even your large pocket. Why is this upgrade important? Because Apple is pushing AI capabilities hard in their latest devices. They want the iPad Mini 8 to not only be fast, but smart, capable of running AI-powered apps directly on the device without needing to rely on internet connections or cloud servers. That means better privacy, faster responses, and smarter tools for things like writing, translating, photo editing, and more. With the rumored chip upgrade, the Mini 8 could handle all of this seamlessly. For creatives, students, and professionals, this could mean a massive leap in productivity on the go. Picture sketching with an Apple Pencil on a gorgeous OLED screen while your tablet handles complex apps without a hiccup, all while staying light and portable. Now, let's talk about timing, because that's the big mystery everyone's trying to solve. When is Apple actually going to launch this thing? The leaks are a bit all over the place. Some say the iPad Mini 8 could arrive as soon as the third quarter of 2026, while others believe the OLED supply chain is tricky enough that it might not hit stores until late 2026 or even early 2027. Apple tends to keep their cards close to the chest, especially with mini releases, so we might see some surprises. But one thing is clear: if you want T's device, it's best to start paying attention now. The rumor mill is heating up, and once Apple officially announces the Mini 8, the hype will explode. Another interesting tidbit floating around is about the design. While the Mini line has stuck to a familiar look for a few years now, there's talk that the iPad Mini 8 could get some subtle but meaningful design tweaks. Some reports suggest Apple might introduce water resistance, something that the Mini series has never officially offered before. That means less worry about accidental splashes or using your tablet outside in the rain. A welcome feature for anyone who takes their device everywhere. And what about sound? There's a hint that Apple might replace the traditional speaker holes with a vibration-based speaker system. This would not only improve audio quality, but also help with making the device more water-resistant and sleeker looking. It's a small detail, but it shows that Apple is rethinking even the little things in the Mini to give it a more premium feel. Of course, all these upgrades come with a price, literally. Expect the iPad Mini 8 to cost more than the current generation. Analysts are predicting a price bump of around $100 or more. Some people will see that as a deal breaker, but if Apple delivers on the OLED display, next-gen chip, better speakers, and water resistance, the higher price is justified. Here's my take. Apple's not just raising the price to make a quick buck. They're positioning the iPad Mini 8 as a premium small tablet, one that can compete with bigger iPads and even some laptops when it comes to power and versatility. For the people who use the Mini as a serious tool, this price jump makes sense. And let's be honest, the iPad Mini has always been a niche device, loved by some, overlooked by many. But with this upgrade, Apple could finally take the Mini from nice-to-have to must-have. That's a big shift in the tablet market. I personally think this could be Apple's smartest move in a while. While the bigger iPads get all the attention, the Mini is quietly evolving into something much more than a compact tablet. It's becoming a powerhouse that fits in your hand. No compromises. Now, if you're thinking, but I already have the current iPad Mini, is it worth upgrading? Here's the honest answer. If you mostly use your tablet for light tasks, web browsing, or watching videos, the current Mini still holds up well. But if you want the best screen, top-tier performance, and the latest AI features, the iPad Mini 8 will be worth every penny. Apple is pushing the boundaries on what a small tablet can do, and the Mini 8 looks like it could redefine the category. The move to OLED alone would be enough to make Mini users upgrade. Add in the chip, the design refinements, and enhanced speakers, and you're looking at a device that's much more future-proof. And here's the kicker. With AI features becoming more integrated into Apple's ecosystem, having a powerful chip in a compact form factor could make the iPad Mini 8 the perfect travel companion, study buddy, and creative tool, all in one. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with this. The iPad Mini 8 is not just about a shiny new screen or a faster processor. It represents a shift in how Apple thinks about portability, power, and performance. This could be the device that finally convinces people that small can be mighty, and that having a powerful tablet doesn't mean you have to carry a giant screen everywhere. So if you're a fan of Apple or just love smart, portable tech, keep your eyes peeled. The iPad Mini 8 is coming, and it's bringing some serious upgrades that might just surprise you. Whether you're a creator, a student, a casual user, or someone who just loves having the best tech in their pocket, this could be the device that changes the way you work and play on the go. Thanks for sticking with me through all this. If you want to stay updated on the latest iPad Mini 8 news, leaks, and rumors, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Until next time, keep your tech sharp and your curiosity sharper. The future of the iPad Mini is looking brighter than ever, literally.